Is it safe to wear your contact lenses when using a sauna or hot tub, or even if you go swimming? This is a question often asked of me by my clients before the summer holidays and is equally important if you're planning a winter break somewhere. Many of us enjoy relaxing in a hot tub. In fact, lots of people got one during the COVID lockdown, or enjoy having a sauna or simply treating ourselves to a spa weekend. However pleasurable these activities can be, it can be challenging for people who need visual correction to be able to see clearly and safely. So wearing glasses is not suitable for most water-based activities. They are likely to fall off or get damaged when swimming, and if used in a hot tub or sauna, the heat and steam can damage the lenses and warp the frame. So what about using contact lenses in the sauna or hot tub? Wearing contact lenses may seem to be the obvious solution, but there are a few potentially serious risks with using contacts for these activities. Number 1, risk of infection. The most serious problem is if water gets into your eyes and enters the space between the contact lens and your eye. This significantly increases the risk of getting an eye infection, and microorganisms such as acanthamoeba are especially dangerous. Thankfully, these incidents are rare, but if your eyes do become infected with these bugs, it can lead to severe pain and potentially progress very quickly to vision loss. Number 2, contamination. Chlorine is used in hot tubs and swimming pools and can contaminate your contact lenses, which increases the risk of irritation and even infection. Number 3, drying out. The heat from saunas and steam rooms can dry out your lenses, resulting in discomfort, blurry vision, and reduced airflow to your eyes. This can lead to longer-term problems with the health of your eyes and increase the risk of getting an eye infection. Number 4, losing the lenses. Your lenses can be lost if water enters your eyes. This risk is reduced by closing your eyes or using swimming goggles. So, what are the solutions? The safest option is to remove your contact lenses or glasses and use watertight swimming goggles, which can also be ordered with prescription lenses. For those people who enjoy diving and snorkeling, diving masks are also available in prescription and non-prescription versions. If contact lenses need to be worn, best practice will be to use daily disposable lenses and then to remove and discard them as soon as your activity is finished. If you have reusable lenses, then be sure to add some lubricating drops as soon as you get out and then soak them overnight in your regular disinfecting solution. Alternatively, if you are myopic or short-sighted, why not switch to night lenses? These revolutionary lenses are designed to be used overnight and gently mold the shape of your eye, giving you clear vision the following day without needing to wear any glasses or contact lenses. Whichever option you choose, always remember to blink more frequently, as this will help to moisturize your eyes and reduce the risk of discomfort and infection. In conclusion, using a sauna, steam room or hot tub, or going swimming with contact lenses does incur several risks. The best way to safeguard your eyes is to remove your lenses before starting your activity, but adhering to the recommendations given here can mean that you are able to enjoy participating with clear vision whilst keeping your eyes protected. For more information, please visit our website, just search for Hammond Opticians in Enfield, send an email to admin@hammondopticians.co.uk, or simply call us on 020 8363 3578. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you'd like to listen or watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.